Hello, let's look at your LinkedIn profile to learn about skills, endorsements, and recommendations. I'm going to share my screen right now and we're going to check it out. Okay, so here we are at my profile and I want to show you how you can add your skills because this is the first step you need to take if you have a new LinkedIn profile in order to endorse other people and have other people endorse you. So you can go to Add Profile section and you'll click on Skills. You'll see a window pop up and then you can just select skills, hard and soft skills that you can add here. Programming, Google Slides, presentations, PowerPoint, and leadership, communication, and then it'll propagate it for you and you can add those and you can add up to 50. So once you do that, people can check your profile out and LinkedIn will prompt you based off your skill set and your work experience and your experiences in order for you to endorse them. And it says it endorsed by someone who's highly skilled at this. All right, so now I'm going to just show you someone else's profile to give you an idea. So here's someone else's profile that I just within my network. And then right here, which is not always there when you check out their profile, right below their intro, it will ask you what is their top skill. And then this is where you can endorse them based off your skills. And so you'll just click one of these and you can even say none of the above if you just don't know. And then that's how you endorse someone. And then you can ask other people to endorse you as well. Just send them a message in the private messaging box and say, hey, can you go to my profile and endorse me if you haven't done so already? So that's skills and endorsements. Now we're going to go to giving and receiving recommendations. So this is one of a very useful tool to build social proof on your profile and to show people looking at your profile that people are indeed recommending you and you are recommendation worthy. So when you're going to someone else's profile, you can go to their intro box and right next to the message button, you can click more and then you'll see request from recommendation and then recommend. So I'm going to request a recommendation and it'll just show up, this box will show up and you'll select how do you know him, and just from this, it's mandatory that you select something from here. And then you select your position at the time. So I'm not going to complete this, but I'll just show you more. So you reported directly to me and we'll just say product management at TwoTree. We'll go next. And then we'll just type in a personal recommendation like, hey, can you please recommend me? I would really appreciate it to help build my profile. You are really good at this. And be nice, be polite, and of course, all those common sense things. And that will help encourage them to actually give you a recommendation. One thing you can do is also pre-write a recommendation and then give it to them and just have them approve it. So I'm not going to send that. I'm just going to discard. All right, so that's how you can add skills to your profile, which will enable you to become endorsed and also endorse others. And then that is how to add or request a recommendation. And you can also give a recommendation. And I'll just show you that really quick before I go. And it's just the same process here. So you select that, select something here, next, and then you write your recommendation. So it's very similar to requesting a recommendation. All right, so again, getting skills onto your profile and then being able to endorse others, and then you are able to be endorsed by others as well. And then also giving and receiving recommendations. All right, that's it for this video. See you next time. Bye.